Today, I am going to show you how to turn an ordinary magazine into a cool basket or bowl, like these. First, we have to learn how to make all the coils and cylinder pieces that are part of building the bowl. Half sheets of magazine pages are a little easier. Begin in the corner of the paper and start to roll the page around a very skinny dowel. Be very careful with the dowel. They break easily. Keep the paper very tight as you roll. When you are about halfway, you can pull the dowel out. As you get close to the end, put liquid glue on the corner and continue to roll it up. It will probably ooze out and make a mess, but we want to make sure the end is secure. Hold the end for at least 20 seconds. Ta-da! Leave your new cylinder to the side and make more. A ton more. You can also make these pieces with full pages of magazines or newspaper. Depending on the magazine, the pages might be pretty thick, and sometimes they will be cumbersome to maneuver. It does take some muscle. Roll it tight, add glue, and hold it for 20 seconds. At least. When your cylinders are completely dry, the next step is to flatten them. I like to use a glue stick, but a pencil, marker, or anything that will glide along the magazine edge will work. If your magazine paper is thick, you really have to press hard and flatten the cylinders well. We want them to be nice and creased. Some pieces will stay just like that. Those pieces will compose the bottom of our bowl as well as some of our edges. Other pieces we will want to turn into decorative cylinders of all different sizes. Take a flattened piece and start to wrap it around another hard cylinder. Glue sticks and markers work well. Make sure it is something that has a consistent circumference. Wrap it around once and glue it. Make sure it sticks. Count to 20. Keep wrapping and pulling tight. It can't be loosey-goosey. Your hands are probably going to start to hurt. When you get to the end, be liberal with the glue and count to 20. Pop it off and ta-da! Oops, this marker is not quite an even circumference on both sides. Oh, no. Jeez. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! If you don't flatten your cylinder enough, or if you aren't patient with the glue when you just start rolling, or if you don't pull tight, and if you are not patient with the glue at the end, it just makes every step harder. It's like the old adage says, haste makes waste. Now, just keep making 1,012 more. We're going to use a giant bowl as our armature for our bowl. First, we flatten a whole bunch of our cylinders, and we're just going to start wrapping them around themselves. We will use a lot of glue to keep the ends together and keep the piece flat. I've already started the bottom for us. We will keep wrapping the circle till it fits the bottom of our bowl. Next, we will start to add our cylinders and more flattened pieces to the edges of our bowl until the bowl is completely built up as high as we can get it. When the bowl is completely dry, we're going to paint the inside with Mod Podge, and when the Mod Podge is dry, we'll take it out of the plastic bowl and paint the outside with Mod Podge. And then it'll be done and it'll be beautiful. Ta-da!